Hey everyone, Tech Steve here. For the longest time, I've been using this backdrop for my videos. I'm hoping next year we can make a huge change in the studio setup. But for now, I partnered with my friends over at Veneer Hub, and they sent me over some new panels to doctor things up and make it look a little bit more modern. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your decor look so much more higher end. First of all, we're going to keep this long desk here. I know it's white. It's going to be something that I can still do comparison videos on for now. This is the panels that they sent me. They all came UPS. These are around 94 inches long and about 25 inches wide. And if you don't want to fill from top to bottom on your wall, you can also get them in about 47 inch. You're going to need some type of level whenever you install them just to make sure that the panels are straight. As we come over here, I took two of the panels out of the box. And one of the unique things I like about it is that these panels, once you put them together, it creates this seamless look. So I decided to go with the luxury American walnut acoustic slant wall because it has that sound dampening material, and that's great for a studio. But they have a full lineup. You can get these panels in so many different configurations to match your home, and you can cut them to match up different angles like vaulted ceilings. And the website is super easy to use. You just find out which panel that you like, you press on the box calculator, and then once you put in your dimensions, it will show you how many boxes you need to fill out that space. And if you can't figure out which one's going to work for your decor, you can also order different samples so you can put them up against your wall and see if it's the right fit for you. And I really love the quality of these panels, and I chose the ones with the felt on it to help out with the acoustics in the studio. So there's different ways you can install these panels, but what I'm going to do is to absorb even more noise here in the studio because it is really noisy outside. I'm going to leave these existing panels up, and there's a sheet of wood behind here to help layer this wall from the outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to line these up all the way across the wall, and the reason we want to do that, if you have any gaps on each side, you can put them in the middle to make sure everything's symmetric, because later on I might add lights on the sides of them just to give them a nice premium look. All right, so here's a test fit and everything's looking good. I was able to do this whole entire wall and I have one panel left, so in the future if I decide to put these in another room, I got an extra one, which is fantastic. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get these screwed in. An ideal in a perfect environment, you want to put about 9 screws in each one of them to make sure they hold to the wall. It only took me around 20 minutes to screw everything in and get everything put back in place. And personally, I think it makes the studio look so much better than it did before. It has more of a custom look and it's more modern. Here's the finished product. I'm so excited how well this came out. And I want to give a special thanks to my partners over at Veneer Hub for taking care of the studio. Really nice of you guys to do. And to take care of you guys, they gave me a special promotion code that you can use in the description below if you want to check out. The last thing I want to show you is some footage that we tested out and see how well the TV look on camera. And I will tell you, it looks amazing. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.